It does smell like blackcurrant. Ow. Ooh. Okay. I really don't want to have to touch this. Oh no, this is gonna go everywhere. So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are diving into the Lush kitchen subscription box for February. I cannot quite believe we are already diving into February's box. I have seen no spoilers, no sneak peeks. I'm wondering, is this going to be like a Valentine's Day themed vibe? I don't know. I'm just so excited to dive right in. If you guys don't know what the kitchen box basically is, essentially it's like a Lush mystery box where they make products especially for this box. You can't buy it in store and it's just such a good time. I absolutely love it. I really look forward to opening my boxes every month. It's just such a fun time for me. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So opening up the box, I have seen this, and this isn't giving me Valentine's. This is giving me Year of the Dragon kind of vibes, which I'm very much excited about. So let's dive in. I am so excited. Oh, okay. There is something really glittery in here and I don't have a towel or a tissue, and I always make this mistake. So we're just going to have to wipe it on the pajama bottoms and hope for the best. Let's dive into the first thing. I love this fragrance so much. Okay, so the first item we have is the Cinders shower gel. I absolutely love Cinders. To me, it is a very Christmassy smell. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit random. They're kind of releasing it for the February month. However, maybe there's a color theme, I don't know, but this one, it kind of matches this. Do you know what I mean? Maybe it's a colour theme. Anyway, this one essentially, it smells like a spicy, I don't even know how to describe it. It's so good. It does take me to Christmas though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, that smells absolutely delicious. On the front of the bottle it says, ignite your morning routine with a fiery cinnamon, nutmeg and ginger plus pumpkin seed oil to soften and hydrate the skin. If you couldn't tell, I mean, for me, like cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, pumpkin, it's definitely giving like autumnal winter vibes, which I feel like maybe this would have been good like in November, but I'm so excited about it. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got fine sea salt, almond essential oil, Brazilian orange oil, cinnamon leaf oil, pumpkin seed oil, aloe extract, kaolin, maple syrup, cinnamon powder, ginger powder, nutmeg powder. It is all the tongue twisters, I can't even say anymore, but it's basically full of the most warming and delicious things. And scent wise, it's so hard to explain it. You can definitely smell the cinnamon. It's definitely more of like a sweet cinnamon in my opinion, so it kind of smells like big red chewing gum a little bit, but not completely. It's definitely got layers. I'm so excited to have this. I just absolutely love Cinders. So first item, a 10 out of 10 from me. Let's move on to the next one. I'm so excited for this box now. I feel like it's going to be great. So the next item we have is, ooh, okay. See, it's giving me Christmas decoration. Am I going crazy? It's giving me Christmas decoration. This is, oh, okay, now I understand it now. This is the Dragon's Temple Bath Melt. And ingredients wise in this one, you have muru muru butter, black pepper oil, fir needle absolute, sunflower wax, shea butter. Let's give it a smell. Wait. It's giving like, wait. This is such a hard smell to describe. Like, it smells kind of like a spicy blackcurrant smell, which is very weird, I know, considering there is no blackcurrant in here, but that is kind of what it smells like. I don't know whether the Needle Absolute is like giving that kind of blackcurrant-y kind of fruity twist to it, but it does smell like blackcurrant. Ow. As I said, it's also giving me like Christmas bauble kind of vibes, but obviously you have got the kind of dragon style sort of design on it. It's so pretty. I will say though, personally, I think this whole thing in one bath is going to be quite oily, so I probably will cut this into 4 if not 8 pieces. I like a good bath melt, don't get me wrong, but I find that when you use like a whole one, it's just a bit too much for me, so I will cut this up and definitely get a lot of uses out of it. It is giving spicy blackcurrant. I think I'm losing the plot. I am getting a little bit ill, so maybe my nose is kind of messing up smells, I don't know. Next up we have, Ooh, okay, there is definitely a colour theme going on here because the next item is also of the same colour. Let me just pull it out a second. I really don't want to have to touch this. Oh no, this is going to go everywhere. The next item we have is this one. I'm holding it in a really weird position. I just don't want to move my fingers because they're going to be covered in glitter. This is the Dragon Legend reusable bubble bar, and ingredients wise in this one we have ylang ylang oil, jasmine absolute and dragon fruit powder. To me that smells like Christmas Eve bubble bar. Am I going absolutely insane? It's giving me Christmas Eve bubble bar. It's very good, as you can see, super sparkly, really beautiful though, lovely strong colour. I think this is going to be absolutely stunning in the water. But as I said, it is definitely giving me Christmas Eve bubble bar. But it does smell good, very fresh, very light. It kind of doesn't match the design in my opinion. Instantly I think like cinnamon, strong, overpowering, but I just got that on my nose. Oh no, is it on my face? Guys, you're gonna have to let me know, is it on my face? Yeah, it's giving me Christmas Eve bubble bar. Delicious. This is what I meant when I said it literally is all over me. So now I'm gonna have to wipe this somewhere. So apart from it staining my fingers, I'm really excited to use that one. I think I will probably cut it up and use it within like 2 or 3 baths, just so it's not so strong because my fingers are now stained orange. So anyway, let's move on to the next item. I think we've got 2 more things in here, so let's keep going. So the next item in the box is the Fireball Bath Bomb. I feel like we've had this before. Correct me if I'm wrong, but have we had this before? Because I feel like we have. This is absolutely beautiful. It's like a really lovely sort of pinky red colour to orange to yellow, and it is covered in gold sparkle. And ingredients wise in this one we have cinnamon leaf oil, orange oil, cream of tartar, popping candy, mustard powder. I'm excited to smell it. Let's give it a smell test. Ooh, okay, this smells really good. There is glitter flying just everywhere at the moment and I feel like it's going on my face. This smells really good. Again, such a hard scent to describe, very fruity but very muted. If you remember, years ago for Christmas, we had these 5 gold rings, like bubble bars. I've just blown glitter everywhere. Oh my goodness. It kind of smells like the 5 gold rings bubble bars we had a few years ago. It's a very nice, like warming, spicy, gentle fragrance. Absolutely delish. Wow, okay, I love that. And last but definitely not least, we have the Karma Dragon Soap. The smell of Karma really takes me back to like working at Lush because it is such a staple signature Lush fragrance. I absolutely love it. I used to hate the smell of Karma, but my mum started wearing the perfume and now it's such a comforting smell just because it smells like her. And I really love the look of that. So this one, ingredients wise, has coconut oil, orange oil, lavender oil, pine oil, lemongrass oil. So good. A very strong smell, so if you don't like strong overpowering fragrances you might not like this one, but I really love it and it is melting in my fingers now, so I'm just going to pop that down because I have coconut oil fingers and they're all stained orange, so love that. So that is everything for the Lush kitchen subscription box for February. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video and I would love to know down below, did you get this box? What did you think? And if you did get this box, what item was your favourite? I'm gonna have to say I'm probably the most excited about the Cinders shower gel because I absolutely love the scent of cinders, so it's like a win-win for me. But I am really excited just about the whole box. I love the theming of it. I just think it was really fun for this month, apart from all the glitter and that my hands are dyed orange. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I upload twice a week on this channel and I film a lot of Lush content, book content. There's also some Disney content coming soon, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.